right, it's Spoonbill 34, back working on my 49 Chevy Fleetline, just giving you an update on the progress I'm making. I did take the seats out and sandblasted the floor of the car and the rear trunk of the car to figure out where the good sheet metal is, and so I know how far to cut out. I did get this engine. This is from another 49 Chevy that I have, and it's supposed to be a good engine overhauled. I did paint that engine up and GM blue and primed it, cleaned all the grease off, and that was the hardest part, just cleaning it, the prep work. Painting it was easy, but it looks pretty nice, so I'm gonna try and get that in there. Today I worked on the engine removal. I got the engine removed, the old 216 out of the 49 Chevy Fleetline, and that was a big job. I guess it wasn't as bad as modern cars, but still had a few challenges to get her out. Had to get over this little piece of metal here down by the grill. I did cut this tube here, and that goes across. It goes from one span to the other, and that got in the way, so I cut that. I can re-weld that back in. I do need to replace some of the battery damage here from that leaky battery. I got that sheet metal work, so I will replace that, and then I'll clean in here and paint it probably like a gloss or satin black. I got to get all this crap and years of oil and dirt out of here. I think I'll hit it with my power washer. I have a hot water power washer, 4,000 psi. That should work good on this. It's just we're getting into the cold season here in South Dakota. It's like it was 15 degrees out here in the shop when I came out to work. I have a space heater that I use, and I just ran out of diesel fuel, so I gotta fill that up. But there's my little thermostat now. What is it, about maybe 38 degrees? But yeah, I've got this barn. I just put a new roof on it, and I need to put insulate it now and put some sheet metal, ceiling in this with insulation to be able to get it to heat it up and work out here. It's really nice having this 2-post lift. Really made the job easier, and on all kinds of car work I can do with that. But anyway, that's the update for now. Thanks for checking in. I'll catch you on the next one.